The Ayush Counseling registration process is straightforward. First, carefully fill in your required personal details. Then, complete the mobile OTP verification.
Step 2 is the payment of the registration fee. Once successful, you need to upload your required documents. Ensure all files are in the correct format before submitting.
Once registered, you must pay the security money. Select the payment option and proceed. Payment is now successfully completed. Your status is updated and you are ready for choice filling.
Step 4 is online document verification. Authorities will digitally review your uploaded documents. Once verified, a success confirmation will appear.
In Step 5, the authority processes the data. The state merit list is then generated. This list displays the comparative ranks of all candidates. Your specific rank is now determined. The merit list is published.
In Step 6, open the choice filling section. Select your preferred courses and colleges from the list. Rearrange them in your order of preference. Review your final list and lock your choices. Your choices are now successfully locked.
In Step 7, the system processes your rank and choices to determine your seat allotment. Your allotted seat is now displayed on the portal.
Upon receiving an Ayush seat allotment, report to your designated nodal center. Officials will physically verify your original documents. Once completed, your admission is successfully confirmed. Step 10. Report to the allotted college. Present your documents for verification. The official will confirm your admission. Congratulations, your process is complete.
If you've secured a seat in round 1, you can opt for upgradation. The system processes your choices to allot a better seat.
Step 12 involves further rounds. The mop-up round displays vacant seats. Stray vacancies are processed for eligible candidates. This ends with final seat allotment. The Ayush counseling process is now complete. Congratulations on securing your seat and completing your admission. Your dedicated journey to a medical career successfully begins here.